Rate restaurants on Swiggy. To rate a restaurant on Swiggy, you must navigate to your past order list simply from inside the app. For that, simply open your Swiggy application first. Please note that this application is only available on India, and if you are outside the India, then it is not available in your area. So make sure that you are in India to rate a restaurant and use the application. And after that, all you have to do is tap on the menu, and after that, simply complete your login. After that, simply tap your profile account icon located in the top right corner of the home screen. And when you scroll down, there you can see a past orders or orders to view your history. Find the specific order from the restaurant you want to review and simply tap on it. There you'll find tap the rate order or how was the food button and simply rate from 1 to 5 star for the restaurant's food. And you can also leave additional feedback fields for food taste, quantity and packaging quality or overall their service. And finally tap on submit feedback to lock in your review. And that's it guys. In this way you can easily review any restaurant on Swiggy app. If you enjoyed the video, consider give it a like and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you on the next one.